Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a timeless hot rod here, the 34 Ford Coupe, black with the classic flames on it. This is a cool hot rod, and you know what? This is all metal. This is a Henry Ford original steel body, steel fendered, real 1934 Ford Coupe here, not a fiberglass reproduction. If you go to volocars.com, that's where I have all the specs and information listed, price, photos top to bottom at volocars.com. And when you're on there, you're going to find a few hundred collector cars all for sale. But right now, why don't we go for a spin in this timeless hot rod. This car was built, restored 25 years ago, so it's not perfect, but yes, it looks beautiful. Standing right here, it looks perfect. It's not perfect. It's a driver. It's been driven, but it's a nice car. But again, what it's got going for it, this is all steel, genuine, 3-window coupe, has the factory hinges, door handles, locks, has a swing out windshield, it has the cowl vent, and even the fenders are still the metal fenders. Trunk has the original handle, original style handle with the original hinge assembly. This piece right here is fiberglass, has the teardrop tail lights, recessed license plate, and here's the gas filler. The rest of the car is all steel. Also has a third brake light. It's got smoked glass in it. It's been chopped. Has a great stance. I love the aluminum wheels with the knockoff spinners and how they're bigger, fatter in back. Gives it that perfect hot rod look. You can stand on these running boards. Reproduction cars, they're painted, you can't put your foot on them, you got to put signs when you're at the show so people and kids don't step on them. You can walk all over those. Also has the original style 34 headlamps, nice big headlamps with the glass lenses. And whoever flamed the car, they initialed it back there and dated it. 1997 these flames were done. It looks great. A nice classic flame job here. The body is really clean. I don't see any signs of damage or rust. Suicide doors, they call them that because they could fly open while you're going down the road. There is some bubbling on the rear fenders, like right in here. It's all metal. I don't know what caused it, but again, 25-year-old paint job. Inside the trunk, this is boxed and upholstered to match the interior. It's got some embossed patterns. Bottom of the trunk lid's done. Behind that panel, there's some more room, and there's the battery. Underneath the car, it's an original frame, painted red. The floors are all clean metal, painted silver. Up front, it's got a round tubular drop axle, disc brakes, transverse leaf spring, chrome shocks. It's got 4 chrome tubular trailing arms. In back, it looks like a Ford 9-inch rear end. I think it has coilover shocks, and it has tubular upper and lower control arms in back. It's got a nice exhaust system with the flared tips out the back. I think they're cherry bomb mufflers. The interior is all redone in tweed. It's got the embossed door panels, matching embossed headliner. It's got an overhead console with the stereo. It has billet trim. Here's the power window switches, billet handles, billet inserts on the dash. It has a full set of matching Stewart Warner gauges. It has seat belts, very comfortable bucket seats. I'm 6 foot tall, and I fit in there just fine. The positioning of the pedals, the steering wheel, the roof, everything felt really good. I would go on a long drive in this car. 350 Chevy engine, dressed up with a lot of chrome, aluminum Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke, HEI distributor. It's got heat and air conditioning, original firewalls all painted up real nice. What else can I tell you about the interior? It's got a tilt column with a really nice leather cushion gripped wheel with the polished spokes. Has the Lokar floor shifter, an emergency brake handle, interior lights working. And there's photos underneath the car, and all the specs are listed as well. It's a turbo 350 automatic, has an external trans cooler under the car. Power brake booster is also up under the car. Let's start it up for you. Sounds like he has a gear drive instead of a timing chain. The big demand for the steel body cars. It's got the look. That it has. Again, this is a car, just jump in and drive. Well, there you have it, folks. It's your chance to get a metal body car. We get a fair number of fiberglass cars, which are great too, but every time people call, the first question they say is it metal? This one's the first metal one we've had in a long time. So if that's what you're looking for, visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. We'll walk you through the whole process, answer questions about the car, shipping, financing, whatever it may be. So visit volocars.com. Take a second, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's the best way to see these cars as the videos come out. And as long as you're watching, we'll keep making them. Thank you.